drum and stuff. Oh.
They're just pulling up in the street.
They don't want to take their time.
Now there is a set. Now there is a set. Yeah, that's expensive, but
alright guys, so today we have the Dodge Charger Jada Off-Road Elite. Pretty cool car actually. We got the plastic body. Very durable. Whatever material is made of, you know what I'm talking about. Some nice wheels. It actually has shocks. They actually work front and back, so it's pretty nice. Has a light if you push on this. You can see the front. Got the rear. And it has an underglow, but I took it off because I wanted the battery to last a little bit longer. But nice wheels. And yeah, this one, it's got I think there's 3 versions, but I'm not sure, so if I'm wrong, sorry. So we got the turbo version, which has to unlock the full power, hit the turbo. Pretty cool. This is, I think this, I want to say 2nd generation, if you want to call it that. And I like the first one better, but you have battery problems. So yeah. So you can see scratches all over from driving it. So yeah, durable body. It does have a little motor popping out, but I took it off to put it on another body. And it does have a fat wing, but I took it off too. So yeah. Alright, let me show you the bottom. So here's the bottom. You got your adjusting the steering. You got a little wheelie bar, which works I only seen it work on carpet. If you reverse and you go, because you get traction, but I haven't really tested it outside. But you got the USB, the USB charger that way, which is very convenient. If you have the 1st generation, you have a big old battery, not big, but you charge it with its own charger and stuff, which is, it's alright. But this is the nice part of this, but the first one, you don't have let me show you. You don't have the control with the turbo button. It's full on power. Alright, so it comes with this control I already showed you. It has a turbo button. If you have the first generation, there's no turbo button, you see? So when you hit the throttle, it goes slowly, depending how you want. Then you hit the whole thing, it'll be the same thing as holding the turbo and hitting the gas. And they both have a, what's it called, where you can control the speed. So if you go a little bit, it'll go a little bit. If you go all the way, we'll go all the way. The only bad part about this one, so when you go a little, all the way, it won't be your top speed. But once you hit your turbo button, you'll get your full speed. But I don't like it because when you get your full speed, depending on what kind of surface you are, it starts to kind of spin. And this one, you can control it and slowly go to your top speed. And so you'll spin out more with this one than this, and I'll show you the other one. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car. It's very durable because I've been jumping the crap out of it. So, yeah, so you can see in the video, I've been jumping the crap out of it, and it still runs. Everything still works. The shocks. So yeah, I would recommend it. I actually got this used for $20. You can get it brand new for around $60. Then I think they got like the third generation, if you want to call it that. And it's actually 4x4. This one is only rear. And the new one is 4x4. There's not really a review on it, besides some kid reviewing it. But it doesn't, I don't know if it's got 2 shocks or is it just the newest one, if it's fake shocks. But if it is fake shocks, it's gonna suck. But the all-wheel drive is cool. But yeah, let me just show you real quick the first generation. And yeah, I got the first gen, and this is what I mean by the battery. You pop, oops, mine saw, I opened it. But yeah, you pop this in down here, and that's, compared to the USB. Let's see if you can see down there. Might not be able to see with this. It does have a cover, which is down here. But yeah, and you have a plug-in charger right there. So yeah, basically the same thing. The only difference is the battery and the turbo button. So I like the USB, do not like the turbo button. I like the full throttle on this, but USB is more convenient than putting battery, rechargeable battery. But they're basically the same. So yeah, this is the ice charger. Alright guys, well, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. If you don't, it's all good.